Hey guys, it's your girl Justena Elise, and today we are gonna blow out my hair. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. If you made it this far in the video and you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, click the red button and the bell next to it so you can be notified of my next video. We are gonna start off with freshly washed hair. We're gonna go ahead and section it off. Since 2022 is upon us, I wanted to go ahead and stretch out my hair and see how the length is compared to last year. And I'm also going to trim it. I'm not going to trim it in this video, but I am going to show you my new technique in blowing out my hair. Alright, I am going to use this brush blow dryer and some cheese silk infusion serum to apply to my hair before I blow it out. I do section it in very small sections to make it easier when it comes to blowing out my hair and to make my hair more sleek so we can see the actual length of my hair. So I'm gonna go in with this cheese silk infusion, taking about a drop and distributing it through the length of my hair, making sure every strand gets some of the infusion oil. Then I'll take the brush blow dryer and slowly, and I mean slowly, pass it through my hair in order to help it smooth my hair. So this is a way that you can do a blowout. This actually reminds me of the tension method. It's allowing the tension of the brush and the tension of the blow dryer to actually straighten my hair. I have it on like a low heat setting on this blow dryer. There's low and there's high, and I have it on the low setting. And I just take my time and brush my hair through, and just making sure my hair gets as smooth as possible so we can see the true length of my hair. So as y'all see, I am gradually brushing it through my hair, looking for any parts that is still a little puffy or still a little curly, and gradually brushing my hair with the blow dryer. So overall, I think to do each section, it might have took me about 2 to 3 minutes just to make sure my hair is smooth enough and straight enough like you see here. Now you see at my roots how I have a little puffiness. I did go back and apply some more heat to that section just to make sure my hair is cohesively straight all the way down to the length of my hair. So that is basically what I did, and this is how my hair looks. It is basically to like a little bit under my neck bone, not neck bone, but collarbone. But I will definitely need to trim my hair despite the length of it. But it does look pretty good, except for the ends. Y'all see, I definitely will need to trim my hair. So I'm gonna continue blowing out my hair and just letting y'all watch as I continue this process. As y'all see right here, my natural hair is basically half the length of my blown out hair. So that shows you that the shrinkage is real. If you made it this far in the video and you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Click the red button and the bell next to it so you can be notified of my next video. And comment down below and let me know some video ideas that you might want me to try this year. I am going to be doing more natural hair videos, more beauty videos, more plus size fashion videos, skincare, makeup, and so much more. So make sure you subscribe so you can be connected and know when my next video will be. All right, guys, so this is how long this section of my hair is after I've blow dried 2 sections. As I said before, I just wanted to make sure my roots are as blown out as possible, so I do go back and make sure they're blown out as much as possible by just doing that slow brushing method with my brush blow dryer, and it just helps smooth out my curls and make my hair look really flowy. And my hair, for one, is extremely soft. This silk infusion serum will really help my hair be really soft and really airy. This is the entire back section, and I could just totally run my fingers through, and it just, my hair looks super airy. As y'all can see on the ends, I definitely need to trim them, and I did trim them. So all right, guys, so this is how my front section look. It is definitely more thinner than my back, as far as how much hair is on my head, so it doesn't take that much to blow it out. Additionally, the right side of my head is definitely more shorter than the left side. I have way more breakage on that side, but in the end, I am going to trim. I'm not going to trim on camera, but a trim is definitely needed. This is how all my hair is after I've blown it out. It is grown, but I definitely need a trim to help it grow more in 2022. So if you made it this far in the video and you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Click the red button and the bell next to it so you can be notified of my next video. And remember, guys, you look blessed.